presenting our AI-based rockfall prediction and alert system for open-pit mines, built to enhance safety and reliability in open-pit mining operations. This is the end-to-end workflow of our AI-based rockfall prediction and alert system, designed to ensure real-time monitoring, accurate risk forecasting, and faster emergency response in open-pit mines. Our system begins with data ingestion from multiple sources, sensor streams, drone imagery, historical records, and environmental feeds such as rainfall and seismic activity. This data undergoes pre-processing and is analyzed through computer vision for crack detection and time series models for slope movement prediction. The risk prediction engine processes these insights, stores alerts, and continuously retrains models for accuracy. On the user side, authorized personnel log into a dashboard where they can view live feeds, risk maps, and historical records. If the probability forecast crosses a threshold, the system triggers instant alerts via SMS email or app notifications. Along with this, a suggested action plan is generated to guide safety teams. Users can then update actions, review past rockfall events, or continue monitoring low-risk areas. This end-to-end flow ensures real-time monitoring, predictive safety, and quick emergency response for open pit mines. Thank you. Welcome to the demo of our AI-powered rockfall prediction system. Overview. This dashboard offers a comprehensive snapshot of mine safety, combining real-time data and alerts to provide quick situational awareness. Risk map. The real-time risk map visualizes high, medium, and low-risk zones in the mine, helping prioritize safety interventions. Live feeds. Live feeds integrate visuals from cameras and real-time sensor data to monitor environmental and structural conditions on-site. Historical records. This page shows monthly risk trends with event counts and average risk scores. It logs recent critical events like rockfalls and environmental warnings along with actions taken. This keeps track of past incidents and informs future safety decisions.